Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and the Humble Bundle holiday reruns continue. Yes, they're bringing back the most popular bundles of 2024, and game developers are definitely no obsession. We've actually had, I think, about 5 of them so far. We've got a couple of left, spoiler alert, but only a few more days, so I don't have to keep making one of these a day for too much longer anyways. But today what we've got back is the Deluxe Dev Dream 3D Unreal Engine and Unity Mega Bundle. So there's 4,000 plus assets in this bundle. They are redeemed on their respective stores, so the Unity stuff is redeemed on the Unity store. The Unreal Engine stuff is redeemed on the Unreal store. Now, one of the things you will find, though, the majority of the assets in this bundle are actually for Unreal Engine, which is actually kind of a good thing, well, unless you're a Unity developer, because Unreal Engine actually makes it the easiest to get their assets out into other game engines. So if you happen to use something like Godot or Flax or something to that effect and you want to use these assets, Unreal is the ideal one. So all these are from Meshingun Studio. You've been seeing the sizzle reel for, well, we're going to watch 2 of them. We've got Feudal Japan there and the Cybertown bundle, so you get an idea of exactly what these actually look like. Once again, they are redeemed on their native asset store, so the majority of these will be redeemed on Fab. I haven't checked to see if they're marked as for anything other than Unreal Engine only on Fab. I don't think they are. One big thing that changed from the bundle earlier in this year, though, is now there is just a single tier. And on top of that, you only have a small amount of time to pick these up. This bundle actually came out. It's Sunday at 2 p.m. I learned last week there's nobody on the internet at Sunday at 2 p.m., so I decided to actually cover this Monday morning. So that's why you're getting this a little bit late, and that means you've got a little bit less time to pick this up. So here we can see the bundle itself. It is one flat tier, $30 USD for 24 items. And one thing you'll notice here, use my links. You help support Gamefromscratch, and I thank you very much for doing so. But there's no slider anymore, but don't worry, it still supports me. And by the way, if you have some trouble with the link, they changed the way their links work. If you have uBlock Origin, you may need to post it into a new tab to get it to work. So what you will see here is there is a limited amount of time to pick this one up. A little bit under a day and a half total. So sorry about doing that to you a little bit later, but I figured I'd actually bring the video out when people are actually going to watch it. Would be useful. So the bundle itself, grand total of 24 asset packs. You can see the game engine it is for by looking down the side here, like so, or you can just look at the name. And what you're going to find here is the vast majority of these are Unreal Engine. They're full environments for the most part. About half of these are full environments. So you got Feudal Japan, which we saw the video of, Gothic Interiors, Gothic Mega Pack, Medieval Village Mega Pack, Stylized Village Fat Pack, the Brook Industrial Town, and then the Bazaar. And then on top of that, we've got some Unities here. So then the Gothic Mega Pack, Gothic Interior Mega Pack, and the Medieval Village Mega Pack are all Unity assets. And then we get back into Unreal again, where we got the Stylized Foliage Pack, the Cyber Town Pack, which we saw a little bit of in the video earlier on, Gothic Furniture Prop, the Flag Generator, the Book Generator, the Feudal Japan Interior Props, the Egyptian Props Volume 1, the Gothic Cemetery Pack, the Foliage Pack, the Gothic Texture Pack, the Asian Temple Pack, the Medieval Props Pack, the Medieval Dinnerware Pack, and the Gothic Dungeons Props Volume 1. So it's all world environment stuff. You guys know me. This is my favorite stuff. I love environment bundles more so than anything else, because I think they're actually the most universally useful. You can mix them into an existing game and not really, as long as your art style matches to it, it doesn't look asset flippy as much as like some characters do, for example. So I very much like the 3D environment stuff, and I also very much like Meshingun's work. And what you're going to find is if you go into a lot of these, they're actually, especially for the Unreal Engine side of things, a lot of them are driven by blueprints so that you can have, you know, the number of floors or the greebles attached or the balconies for your buildings and so on. So a lot of it's more than just environments. A lot of it is actually like procedural generation stuff, not the new PCG stuff that they added in Unreal Engine 5.4, but basically a lot of blueprint driven assets that are really then customizable in your own game. So if you are an Unreal Engine developer and this fits your art style, it is a beautiful bundle that way. If you're using Unity, a little bit less so. Again, you only have 3 of these that are dedicated to Unity, just something to be aware of up front. But if you really look at it, the pricing, each one of these is worth the value of the bundle on its own, so still could be a good pickup. And also do keep in mind, you can export out of the Unreal Engine to other game engines, and I will, of course, have those appropriate links down below. So again, that is the Deluxe Dev Dream 3D Unreal Engine and Unity Mega Bundle. Again, we only have one day, probably 11 hours by the time this is uploaded, left to pick this one up, so sorry about it being a little late, but again, I figured it's better to publish the video when people would actually see it, as opposed to on a Sunday evening. So let me know what you think of this bundle, of the holiday reruns that Humble are doing. Is there a bundle that happened this year that you really want to see them bring back before this is up? Because we're running out of days. So let me know what you think. Comments down below. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.